Kayleen, that picture, you see that picture? Look at the picture. You'll see. What's happening? You're so funny. How did you do that?
Lane, I love you so much. You are so special. And here's one.
Okay, look at this one. What's happening? Wait, move. Okay, you can put down the shirt.
Babe, you are so special. I can't describe how special you are, but I'm gonna try anyways. One of my favorite things about you is how non-judgmental you are, especially towards me. You let me feel what I need to feel without judging me for feeling it, and without thinking of me any other way other than just letting me be me. And that really makes me feel safe. Babe, you're just so great. You're so great. I love you so much.
Oh god. Watch out. We have to step back. How did you do this? Wait, why isn't this one working? It'll work. It'll work. One sec. Oh my god, how did you do this? Maybe we'll skip this one. Okay. It's okay. It's just about, I forget what it's about. How did you do how this? Caring you are? Okay, I'm over here.
Another way that you're amazing, and yes, I am naming the ways. It's that you are so caring and you're really there for the people that need you. You care about the world and everyone in it so much. It's amazing how you can care so much. I really, really respect that and think that's really cool. Oh, and I love you so much. Now I have to talk about your smile. Seriously, love, that smile, when I see it, I feel so good inside. It is so beautiful, and you are so beautiful. I can't believe I'm this lucky to have you in my life. Honestly, I can't believe it. I love you so much.
Are we cute? Oh my god, I love you so much. I love you so much. You made like a really good collage. Like, how does the internet work? Oh. like pictures you should. Do this with pictures. Okay, hold this. Oh god.
Alright, video journal time. So, I've never felt this way about someone before. I am so excited. I really, 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 really like Rain. She is amazing. She's so great. Okay, first of all, she's really funny, and she's really intelligent, and she's beautiful.
Oh my god. I have been waiting my whole life for you. You spent your whole life with me. Wayne, Yale, Sisman, Newman. Will you marry me? I love you so much. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know where it goes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. There's a light in it. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, what do I do with this? Oh my god. What's it going this year? Oh god, it's perfect. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, I love you so much. What the hell? How did you do this? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god. Oh my